If you've been trying to figure out how to use ShopWired for multiple discount codes, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll break it all down and give you the tools to maximize your ShopWired experience, but stick around because I'll also be introducing a better option for managing discount codes at the end. Now, let's dive in. First off, ShopWired allows you to set up discount codes on your store. But when it comes to using multiple discount codes on a single order, things can get a little tricky. You're probably wondering if it's even possible, and if it is, how to do it efficiently. The basic answer is, ShopWired doesn't allow customers to stack multiple discount codes on a single order by default. But there are workarounds, let's go over those. Next thing, you can create automatic discounts. ShopWired offers a feature where discounts can be applied automatically when certain conditions are met, such as the cart reaching a specific value. While it's not a direct stacking of multiple codes, it can mimic the effect of combining offers. For example, you could have a site-wide discount that applies automatically and then add a special code for specific products. Customers will see both benefits without needing to manually enter multiple codes, making it a smooth shopping experience. The third thing is creating tiered discount structures. You can set up discounts based on the order size or the number of items purchased. This allows you to offer different types of savings on the same order, giving a similar benefit to using multiple discount codes, but again, without the full flexibility you might be hoping for. Next, you might have seen apps or plugins out there that promise to let you stack discount codes. While ShopWired does offer a decent built-in setup, there are third-party apps that you can integrate to give you this functionality. But be warned, sometimes these apps add extra fees or complexity to your store, which could be a deal breaker for smaller businesses or those just starting out. The fifth thing to consider is customizing your discount logic using ShopWired's built-in tools. You can define exactly when a discount is applied, whether based on specific products, product categories, or cart conditions. While it's not the same as letting customers input multiple discount codes, it does offer a level of control over how discounts are applied to orders. However, here's where it gets interesting. If you're really after more robust discount stacking features or want to easily combine multiple codes for your customers, there's a better solution out there. I'm talking about alternative software, which offers seamless multi-code stacking, all with a streamlined setup and no hidden fees. It's an alternative that simplifies the process, allowing for more customization than ShopWired's system can provide. Now, if you're interested in giving ShopWired a try, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link below, you'll get the best free trial available, plus some added benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But again, for those looking for more flexible discount management, alternative software might be worth considering. It also comes with a free trial, so you can test both and find the best fit for your needs. In conclusion, ShopWired offers some basic options for discount management, but if you want true flexibility with multiple discount codes, you'll want to look into alternatives. If you're curious to see what ShopWired and its competitors have to offer, check out the links below to get started with those exclusive trials and see which platform works best for you.